Hello, welcome to our room. This is Stateroom 9184. So we are in a veranda, a deluxe family veranda. I think that's the title. We've been on enough of these, you think I would know the numbers. And so we are on the very aft of the ship. And so that means the very back. We are the back point and we are on the Disney Wish. So let's show you around. These are looking very similar to what you've seen in probably previous ones. So the Disney has double bathrooms, which is very nice when you have multiple family members. One can use the toilet and one can use the shower.
Very small.
I'm gonna scoot over here. And so on the first one, we have the bathroom with the toilet. And so you have your vanity, a sink, a toilet, and so just a nice place for someone to get together and not get together, get in and get it together. And then the next one,
Happy Halloween.
we got the Halloween package. So if you see Halloween decorations, that's why. We have the shower, and so the shower is a little bit upgraded. You have this glass door where on the other boats you have a shower curtain. And so you have your H2O products, you have a vanity, hello, and you have some nice shelving in a tub if you have little ones that like to take a bath, or if you have medium-sized kids like ours that like to have a spa day. Then you have your cabinets. So it's a little dark in here. So, oh, wow. It's okay. So it has a light that when you open it up, you got two bathrobes that come in your stateroom, which is nice because I don't think we had that in the other ships. And slide to open. You have to have the right knowledge. So you have your safe and you got some shelvings. This is nice because we use a lot of the shelvings because we don't really, when we're going on a cruise, we do have some nicer stuff, but we're not in nice outfits all the time that need to be hung. And then you got your last cabinet, which you have to open together. And this has your full length shelving. You have your life vest, of course, and then you have the ladder for the kids' bunk beds. So you have our bed, which also
comes with a child.
Which comes with a child.
And another one.
All of you get a child. So we had the Halloween package. Let's be quiet for a second. We had the Halloween package. So we got, we are on Halloween of the High Seas. So we have a blanket. We have some decorations. We have a Mickey pumpkin pillow and a trick-or-treat bag. And so we are in, again, 9184. So we have, who is this? Aurora. So we have an Aurora room. So we have the three fairy godmothers and some of the animals. And so each nightstand has a table with a pull-out thing. And so, let me put that up. So you have your plugs. You got two USB ports, and then what is that called, James?
It's a Euro plug.
Euro plug. Lamps, a reading lamp here, and then the other side has that as well. Oh, but it has
curtain too.
It has more plugs. So that has two US outlets, two USB plugs, and then a what is that, James?
That's a USB-C plug in the middle.
It's a wand.
So then you have your couch, and then this pulls out into another bed, and then we have some cabinets over here, which we've already started unloading in it. We have cabinetry here. You're allowed to bring 2 bottles of wine or a 6-pack of beer, so we have our wine in here. Nice long cabinets. I feel like this is more storage than the other ships. You have obviously a drawer here, some drawers here, and there too. And another drawer, but in this drawer is your refrigerator, which again, Prosecco and water, which is nice. So it's a drawer fridge instead of a door fridge. And so we are gold, so they're going to show you
One thing, trash can down there.
Trash can down there. That's very important, guys. So we are gold, so they're going to show you our gold gifts. This is the Disney Wish gift, specific to the Disney Wish sailing. So we got our lanyards.
Wait, can I open it?
Yeah, what's in the bag, baby?
Inside the bag is another bag.
Is another bag. So this is
It's like a tote bag.
This is almost like a little wallet thing. So Disney Wish, it's an inaugural sailing. And so in it you have like little card holders and if you want to put your IDs and just different pouches.
I need a new wallet.
And we got our inaugural bag, which is awesome. We will be using this a lot.
I need a new library bag.
Nope, you're not. And then just a little inaugural, kind of like a laundry bag, which would be nice.
Ooh.
Wait, you have to zip this open.
You gotta unzip it.
Yeah. There's so many pockets in here.
Oh, and we have something else in there.
Oh, I think.
What does it say? So
It's another bag.
we've seen these. We've seen these on a lot of YouTube videos, and we're not quite sure what they are. Some people say they're a towel holder, and you stick your towel around it, and some people say they're a luggage
They're
holder.
luggage holders.
Kate's going to make himself a sash, and he's going to be king of our sailing. So
Yes.
there you go. You can
Alright,
do
let me
with
get-
whatever you want. And so the best part of the room is why we booked this ship is we love extended balconies, and you don't get to see that a lot on Disney Cruise Lines. They're typically a smaller balcony, but we are on the very back, the aft, and so we got a very, very extended balcony. So hopefully these are kid proof. But come on out. I'm gonna put on my sunnies because it's sunny outside. So super long balcony. You got your two chairs, and these are specific, I think, to the Wish. You don't see these white chairs like this. They're very pretty. A table, and then we have 2 more chairs, which makes it perfect for us because as a family of 4, as you can see, it's really hard to get over the ship. As a family of 4, and for our family, we spend most of our time out here when we're inside our stateroom. So this is very nice. We always try to get an extended balcony, and typically they're close to the same price as all the other balconies. So if you book early enough in advance, you can get this. So again, here's our stateroom, 9184. Thank you for joining us. If you like us, please, if you like this, please thumbs up. And please subscribe. Our channel is The Adventures of D&J, and we will have more Disney Wish content and more adventure content. So we'll see you soon. Thank you.